confirmed as follows. 1. All arriving passengers on international flights with a PCR-based COVID-19 negative certificate whose body temperature is not above 37.5 degrees Celsius and do not have a persistent cough, difficulty in breathing, or other flu-like symptoms and have been tested 96 hours before travel shall be exempt from quarantine. Let me say this is not a blanket approval, and so we do have initially a list of countries from which passengers will be allowed. This will be a list which will be reviewed on an ongoing basis, because you know this issue about COVID is not static. It gets better, it gets worse. So whereas we have an initial list here, by tomorrow we shall review that list depending on circumstances on the ground when we do the global mapping of the threat and intensity of the coronavirus. But for a start, these countries which I'm going to mention here will be the initial list from which we shall be allowing passengers to come from. 1. China, South Korea, Japan, Canada, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, Switzerland, Rwanda, Uganda, Namibia, and Morocco. These countries are the countries with mild or limited community transmission. All they have declining incidences